Hi everyone, welcome back to Odu's Organic DIY. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make pure coconut oil soap at home. This simple recipe uses just 3 ingredients and produces a soap that is cleansing and foaming. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 250 grams of pure coconut oil, 37 grams of caustic soda, also known as sodium hydroxide, and 72 grams of distilled water. Remember to wear gloves, safety goggles, and work in a well-ventilated area when handling caustic soda. Safety first. First, measure out each ingredient accurately. Soap making is a precise process, so using a digital scale is essential. Next, slowly add the caustic soda to the distilled water, never the other way around. Stir gently until it is fully dissolved. This creates our light solution. The solution will heat up quickly, so set it aside and allow it to cool down to around 33 degrees Celsius. It is recommended to use a thermometer to check the temperature. While the lye solution is cooling, warm up the coconut oil if it is solid. It should also be around 33 degrees Celsius when we mix it with the lye, because mine is already in liquid form, so there is no need for that. Now, it is time to combine the lye solution with the coconut oil. Slowly pour the lye solution into the oil while stirring continuously. Stir until the mixture reaches a trace. This is when it thickens up to the consistency of pudding or like pap. You can use a stick blender to speed up the process. Once you have reached trace just like you are seeing in this video, pour the mixture into your soap mold. Smooth it up with a spatula if needed. Let the soap sit in the mold for 24 hours to harden. This is the following day. Let's go ahead and unmold them. And there you have it, a simple, natural coconut oil soap you can make at home. Here is a bar of the finished soap after curing for 4 weeks. Let's test it for foaming properties. Look at that ladder. Pure coconut oil soap is known for its incredible foaming ability and cleansing power. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.